Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to do a video. It's going to be a little different, not really automotive. It is automotive product related, but we're not using the products on an automobile. Today I got two products. We got tea from Koch Chemie and Orange Power. I think the Orange Power is stronger. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they're both like resin, tar removers, stuff like that. And I just put together this grill I got off Facebook Marketplace. I had to change a couple things out. The guy had some extra parts that he ordered. I think it was damaged in shipping, and I switched out the box. He had an extra box and stuff, so this is probably sat in his garage over the summer, and it's got these tape lines that were with the shipping. They won't come off the tape. It's stuck to it. So we're gonna try out these products and see how well they work. I mean, I've been kind of going at it with the razor blade a little bit and got some of the bottom off there. Let's try these products, see how it goes down. Guys, I got these over at autoforge.net for all your detailing needs. And out of the box usages, they got a lot of Koch Chemie over there at autoforge.net. Go check them out. Let's go with this video. All right, guys, I've got my gloves on. Not that these are gonna save me, but just to help a little bit. I'm gonna use a towel here. And I'm just gonna get some of this. Mind you, this says danger on it. All right, so we know this is some pretty good stuff here. I'm gonna put a little bit on this towel, and I'm gonna soak it on here. I can see it already helps take off some of the old residue. I want to loosen some of this underneath here. I'm going to go down here and get it off some of the old tape that was there. I mean, not too bad. It's working pretty good. See that? Let's see there. It does a nice job with the resin left over by the tape. I need it to soak into this tape here though. Let me see if it helps with the razoring. What a pain. Who thought this was a good idea? Yeah, let's put some tape on there. All right, let's put a little more. I want to drip it on here. And I really don't want this stuff falling on the inside of the grill as it gets hot. I've scrubbed off or razored off that much now. So let's put you back on there and see if I can get some of the under parts here. How well this works on the residue, the actual residue. Alright guys, so side A, now you can see we've gotten it off pretty well. I'll just do a couple fine little scrubs with the razor and it'll come off. Let's do side B here and we'll try the OP one. How's that? Orange Power. see it's just a stickiness. So let's go and see how much we can remove with the orange power now. I'm gonna use a fresh side here. Oops. Put some orange power on there. And let's see how well this does. It's a lot stronger than the T. Seems to do a lot better. And there's still some residue on there, some bigger pieces, but just like the other side, I'll just come back and snipe them. All right, guys, so I'm done. That took me about 10 minutes. Just tedious work. The T, it worked pretty good at the residue removal. Let me know more about what you guys use this for. The orange power was pretty powerful. It took that underneath the residue from the tape right off there. Let me show you guys the results. So this is the side with the T. Need a little bit of little scrubbing there, but came off pretty nicely. Orange power on this side, this was a harder side to work with, and it came off easier there. So for me, orange power for the win, but I'm not really sure. You know, maybe that's too powerful to be using inside your car. So inside your car, maybe on your door handles, or I don't know, on your panels, you'd probably want to use the T. This could be very, very powerful type of product here. Let me know what you guys think, what you're using these for. I don't have a lot of adhesive removal, especially in cars. If you need these type of products, go over to autoforge.net. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.